Photoacoustic tomography, or PAT, is an emerging hybrid biomedical imaging modality combining both optical and ultrasound imaging for monitoring dynamic changes in small animal brains.
This is a cost-effective, portable, high-speed imaging system that uses imaging speeds as short as half a second.
Demonstrating the procedure with Sandeep will be Praveen, a PhD student, Dr. Paul, a research fellow, and Rhonnie, a research assistant.
Begin by mounting all single-element ultrasound transducers onto each transducer holder one at a time, such that the surface of each acoustic reflector faces toward the center of the scanning area. Use connecting cables to connect each transducer cable to the low noise signal amplifier. Switch on the power supply of the chiller and turn on the chiller switch to set the temperature between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Switch on the low voltage power supply and slowly turn the current control to 0.3 amps. Set the voltage to 12 volts and verify that the current does not exceed 0.1 amp. Switch on the high voltage power supply and press the preset button to set the current to 1 amp and the voltage to 0 volts. Enable the output button and switch on the power supply of the function generator. Press the recall button and select a 2 kHz configuration to generate the laser pulses at this repetition rate. Place the acrylic tank inside the scanner and fill the tank with water until the detecting surface